What is up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is another journey driving kind of thing. I'm actually gonna go pick up a wheel set that I found on the Facebook marketplace. The guy had announced for $200, and actually we were talking about it, and I'm gonna go pick him up for $140. It comes tubeless ready. It comes with tubeless tires and everything. It's a 700cc. And it is gonna be for my Poseidon Redwood. Before I take you over there, please go ahead and consider subscribing, turn the notification bell on, check the affiliate links in the description below if you want to help this channel. And the reason I'm picking up those is because hold on, let me start driving, because it's about an hour away from here, a little over an hour. The reason I'm picking those up is because I had planned to put in those the wheels from my Axum, you know, the ones with the Cruiser hubs on it, and I actually bought the adapters, and I mean, they do fit and everything, but I believe they are too wide, and the tires that I had gotten for it, they just wouldn't sit. They will sit with the tube, but I wanted to do tubeless. I actually made them tubeless, and that wouldn't work, so I'm gonna use those for something else. And these are actually gravel specific, and if you don't know about gravel wheels, the through axles, the front is gonna be 12 by 100 and the rear is 12 by 142 for this specific Redwood. I think that's kind of like a standard on gravel bikes, unless it comes with quick release, but this one doesn't come with quick release. It's actually a through axle, but it's a 12mm. Hold on, let me put my glasses on because it's pretty darn sunny. It's 98 degrees right now, and yeah, that's the plan. But they are, let me show you, 51 miles away from here. I'm gonna have to pay tolls, so I'm gonna spend almost $20 on tolls just to pick this up. But I tried to get him to actually chip them, but he's like, nah man, just pick up. So it is what it is. So other than that, let's go ahead and go pick him up, and I'll see you back when I have it in my hands so I can show him to you. Other than that, let's ride, literally. So finally made it over here. Freaking ways took me to like a mile away from here to literally a middle of the bridge. So I went back and forth with the guy, and he's like, no man, I already gave you the address. It's right here in the community center. So plug in the address again on Waze, and it's like, I cannot find it. I cannot find freaking Waze. So I put it on Google Maps, and then I'm here. So picked them up, and these are it. He said that he actually never used them. They're tubeless ready. They're Axis Elite wheels. And I can kind of see, but what I can see over here inside, it has Bontrager, no, I don't know, but it has rim tape, and they're ready to be tubeless. And this is what I was telling you about. So the rear is a 12 by 142, and you have an Axis hub. It's a HG hub, it's through axle with the very nice Tektro 160 rotors front and rear, so I wouldn't have to change the rotors because the one that I have, they're also Tektros. These are brand new, never seen the road. 40 millimeter tubeless ready American Classic Kimberlite tires. Max pressure 55 psi. So these are gonna be super nice. I want it as wide as I can go, but I'm gonna run this for as long as I can before I buy some new ones, because there's no need for me to buy new tires because these are brand new. I actually returned some 700 by 50s that I had, but I actually wanted a town wall, and these are perfect because there are ton wall. The ones that I have bought them for like $28 from the Amazon warehouse as an open item. Same brand, but they're wearing their ton wall, 10 walls that were like just black. They were tubeless ready and everything, but like I said, I couldn't get them to see it then, and you can clearly see right here, this is a much better setup than what I had on the well, you didn't see the ones on the Axum wheels, but this is how it's supposed to be. So this is the front one. Front one is a 12 millimeters by 100 through axle, and yeah, these things are ready to go. So I'm gonna drive back home. I'm gonna catch a little bit of traffic right now because it's gonna be rush hour. I also need to take a piss. On the way over here, West Park Tollway is about 20 miles long before it ends, and that freaking thing is only like 2 lines. And then there's some people that were going, like, the speed limit in there is 65 miles per hour, and these people, they were driving like 53. I'm like, what the hell are you doing? Get out of the freaking like, get out of the freaking way. So I managed that. I survived. So I'm gonna ride back home, hopefully safe. But I'm gonna use the restroom first because it's a long ways home. So let me set this up, and I'll see you in a little bit. Man, I just found some porta potties that were not gonna take me out of my way, but that thing was like 200 degrees inside. It's currently 200 degrees outside. I gotta drive back home. Let me see, because I already put it on Waze. It's taking me back the same way that I came in, kinda, the tollway. So that's gonna be, let me show you how many. 100 degrees, freaking hot. So 55 minutes away, 51 miles. Hopefully it's already calculating traffic, and it's taking me back the same way that I came in. So it's a long way back home, but luckily for you, it's gonna be less than 3 minutes. So you can, all you have to do is just chillax. Take a moment to subscribe, turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here and all we're gonna do now is driving back home. Now I do gotta go buy something else, but the guy is not gonna meet me until 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna see if I can push it. That way I don't have to go home and then go back out, and then it's just a little bit out of the way, but not that bad. So if I can just pick that up on the way home, it'll be ideal. What I want to buy is actually this car. It's a 2022 Outlander. It doesn't come with the spare tire. Don't ask me why, but found out that a Nissan Murano spare tire fits in this thing, so I found one. He's gonna let me have it for $40, just basically a donut, and this one has the space to put it in there, so I want to get one because I don't want to. It comes with the inflate tube repair thing BS that I don't even know why they exist on cars, because if the tire blows on a trip, that thing is not gonna inflate it. So F that, I need a spare tire. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna make time and stop for that on the way. And I guess let me flip the camera, enjoy the music, enjoy the ride, and I'll see you in a little bit. So I'm still driving over here, more than halfway back, and I just got a message from the guy that's gonna sell me the tire. It's currently 4:11 p.m. He will not be home until 5, so I'm gonna run some errands. I gotta go pick up some stuff at Walmart, and then I go get the tire, because it'll be on a Walmart around that area where I'm gonna pick that up, because I don't want to go home and then come back over here after 5 and then go back home. That's too much, and I want to avoid traffic as much as I can, and I should be at the Walmart area at around 4:30, so I can just get whatever I need, and it'll be just in time for 5 o'clock for me to pick that up. And yeah, after that I'm just gonna head home, and then I close up the video once I get, you know what, I might just go ahead and close up the video right now, because I mean, you already seen this blah blah blah. But in the meantime, if you haven't, please subscribe. If you haven't done so, please, it'll hook up the channel. If you want to share this video on social media, it also helps a lot. If you want to check the affiliate links in the description below, if you're gonna buy something from Amazon, regardless, just click on the link below and then just go buy whatever you want, and it'll help out just a little bit over here, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. Other than that, that's gonna be it for today. Let's wrap it up for today, and I guess we'll install those wheels later on. I want to see if I can get them to run tubeless, and that's it for today. See you on the next one. Let's ride. Goodbye.